Hello family, hello guys. My name is Nana Yaw Prince. Welcome to my channel. And I'd like you to do me a favor of liking this video, you subscribe and you hit the notification bell for me. Okay guys, so today I'm going to introduce you to one of the best websites to make money. It's all about spend. We are going to spend to get money. So I'm going to leave the link to the website in the description and I'll pin it in the comment section. Okay, so make sure you watch the video to the end and anything you don't understand, make sure you drop it in the comment section. In my next video I'm going to react to it, so join with me, stay tuned, and let's make money. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay guys, welcome back. Okay, so guys, the name of the website is called Spend to Money, and it's all about spending. You spend, then you get money, then you withdraw. Okay, so guys, this is it. You have to provide your details, your username, your Gmail, your phone number, the password, and you confirm it. And since I already have an account, I don't really need to create a new one. Let's just log in and let's start making some money. Okay, so we are going to log in and make some money. Okay, so this is how it goes. Let's sign in instead. Okay, so I have my username here, I have my password. I just tap on it, continue, and I have to verify some few stuffs. Okay, so I'm to verify a container track. Okay, so container track, we have this to be a container track, this and this. Okay, this and this. Okay, so we have been verified, so we can now sign in. Okay, so guys, this is the front page of the website. Okay, so we have an account credit, we have a starter, we have bonus, we have available spins. Okay, so I have spent mine already. This is a free spin you'll be given whenever you create or you register onto the website. Yeah, so let's check something out. So we go to account credit. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, so we have prizes, we have bronze, we have silver. These are all packages. Whenever you make a lot of money, you can choose to purchase to upgrade your money. You understand? So like bronze, you can make 1.36 daily. You understand? And you'll be given 2 spin per day. You understand? Okay, so when you buy silver comes with $3 to $10.2 a day with 3 spins. So that is how it works. These are the packages they have. So if you have an amount of $20, you can choose to buy bronze, then you start spending. And guys, the money you're making out of this is very, very huge, guys. I'm telling you, it's very, very huge. And don't also forget to leave your comments under the comment section so that I'll read and reply you in the next video. So I'm going to leave the link to the website under my description, and I'm also going to pin it in my comment section so that you can easily tap in and make money. And so if you want to, maybe you have gotten an amount and you want to withdraw, you come here, you come to withdrawal. So this is the withdrawal, and the minimum amount you can withdraw is $5. So from $5 upwards you can withdraw, but below $5 you can't withdraw any money. So I think $5 is around 30 or 27 cedis. So when you have like 30 cedi, you can start withdrawing, and it's easy to make money in this platform. You get me right? So when you come here, we also have a Telegram group you can join to learn so many things You understand? Okay, so this is the dashboard. This is how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. You have account credit, the status, then we have the bonus. So you can also refer your colleagues and your friends, your audience to the website, and you'll be making some bonuses that can help you also spin and get a lot of money. Okay guys, so sorry, this is a very nice and a very good app to get money, very good website, and I would like you guys to check it out and start making money. You get me right? Okay, so don't also forget to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can be updated on more venues to get money. Now money is very, very difficult in getting, so any opportunity we have to make that money. Okay, adios. Thank you.